is homemade keto corn dogs that we're making. So normal hot dogs on a stick, that's the corn dog stuff, and they look actually like corn dog. I'm gonna cut to him holding one. All right, so we're over here at the deep fat fryer thing, and they actually look like corn dogs, bro. Keto friendly. Oh, something big is coming up. We're filming another movie, and he is an actress.
An actress.
Sorry. Actor. Sorry.
Actress is a female. I'm pretty sure I'm male. And that one went down, stuck to the bottom of the damn thing.
Little disclaimer, we're gonna do a scene where he gets in the car. It's not actually him, it's him driving, so this disclaimer for YouTube. Don't copyright my video, please, because we're gonna work hard on this. I'm gonna cut to us pulling them out. Yeah. It's thick corn dog, but it's a corn dog.
Yeah, looks like I wasn't sure how much the batter actually.
They smell good.
That one's not ready. Damn, missing corn dog on one side.
I'm gonna test try
Pay more attention to
that one.
now the cooking one, the coating. All right, here we go.
Corn dogs. We got the corn dogs. They look like cheese sticks a little bit, but they're not. Mozzarella sticks. Keto corn dogs. This is kind of what they look like. Being made, kinda.
Yeah, kinda. I'm getting down low and I'm running out of battery, so they don't want to. Be what they'll be.
I'm gonna save the rest of this video to us test trying it. So that's that. Alright, so this is me trying the corn dog, keto corn dog one up. They're actually pretty dang good. Highly recommend. Alright, that's a video about keto corn dogs. So yeah.